Up there. Where? Higher. Kept yourself open.
Arno! What are you doing?
Thwarting your evil plan!
Not the mustache! Green! Let go on 3. 1, 2, 3!
Oh, a nano fist. I haven't seen that since I hate-watched Green Lantern in 2011. I was saving it for Comic-Con, but now there won't be a Comic-Con! Try to stop my elders from destroying the world! Playtime is over!
There's no going back now.
Set up defense! Damn you, autocorrect! Mantis!
I'm right here, arachnerd.
That's what I call mantiscaping. That's elder abuse.
Alert. Alert. Alert.
Shadow.
Alert.
I see you've chosen betrayal. And you were once so useful to me. Please, Gramsci, don't do this!
Sorry, kiddo.
Bring your grandkid to work day is over. Any last words? Just one thing that I never thought I'd say. What is it? I love you. No. It was something even better. But I'm not going to say it if that's the way you're going to be. Okay, bye. Grandchildren. All the fun and none of the responsibility. Who said life was pointless? Huh?
Oh, right. You did.
Victory! See what you want about my granddad. He made one hell of a bug zapper.
Gotta stop that laser!
I knew there was something I was forgetting.